How to find a good seller on Fiverr. All right, so let's say we're looking for a logo. Just type into, there you go, the preemptive text gives you some services there already. So logo design might even better. Click in logo design, then click search. And you've got a row of filters here. If you're in a hurry, I often over here on the right hand side, I often search for online sellers, not in a hurry, but you can communicate with them there and then you get an answer. Or you can search for local sellers, pro sellers, search by delivery time, in 24 hours up to 3 days. You can filter by a maximum budget, seller details. You've got top rated sellers, level 1, level 2, new sellers. It's sort of, you can look, there's a lot of new sellers, so 86,000. I would perhaps click on English, it might be handy. And you can even filter by country if you want. Don't discount some of the other countries. In good English speaking countries, you'll get good quality. You might pay a little bit more sometimes. But look, I've used people in Bangladesh, Pakistan. There's some really good people. But what you want to do, all right, so we've searched, and or did we? I'm not going to filter it by anything. And so let's look through here. So as you can see, level 2 seller, it's got a feedback score of 4.8 by the stars. And the 1K plus means he's earned 1,000. I think he's earned 1,000 or he's done 1,000 jobs. I'll just look. He's got 189 orders in the queue. So he's done 4,098 jobs in the time he's been on here. He's in the States. And you can look across here and be sure when you're looking here. So you've got basic, standard and minimum. Now a lot of the times with a basic you might only get one review. So have a look at what they actually offer. And you can actually message them as well. So have a look through them, have a look at their feedback, and I suppose have a look at what their logo is on their profile here, because that's a bit of an indication. If it's crappy, they may not be that good at designing logos. And you can also go in and have a look at this one. Let's just filter it at $10, all right? Maximum $10. See what comes up. Apply. And let's filter, get out all the new sellers. So let's say level 1 and level 2. Well, you can put the best sellers in if you like. So it gets rid of all the new ones. So you're going to get the best sellers here. 358. It's got feedback. This one. I'll just click on one for no reason other than I clicked on it, right? And you can go and read, and they'll tell you what they want. You can go there, see he's actually online. You can click on contact him. He's in Pakistan. Average response time is an hour. And he looks like he works by himself. He's not a member of a team. And then you can have a look in depth. So the basic gets 3 unique concepts, unlimited revision, source files. You don't get a 3D mock-up. And so when you go up in price, you get these other things. Not always necessary to go up in price. Let's look. Some FAQs, here's some of the feedbacks. And here's the ratings, and here's some of the feedbacks. And have a look through them and get a feel for, like, if there's the odd one that's not good, tend to discount it if they've got really good reviews, or if they've got lots of reviews that are from, weird countries, which could be their mates writing them as well. They've set up a profile just to write them. So have a look through them. It's a pretty easy website. Do your research, and even if you're only lucky enough to get it dodgy, you can always not accept the order, and then they will try and review it because they don't want that to show up on their feedback. So all right, I hope that's been of some help to you.